Hi there, I am Becky Amble, and I want to share with you a little tip for artificial intelligence. So let me share my screen and we will take a look. And I want to show you something else on NotebookLM. And let's just say, okay, let me move some things around. So let's just say I want to create a new one. And this is after you have an account and are all set up, which takes no time at all, really. Anyway, go over here, upper right, create new. All right. And then you upload sources. Okay. And you want to have them as a PDF, a text file, markdown, all these things. It gives you some options. All right. Here's what happened the other day. I was going to do something with one of my latest books, and I tried to upload the PDF. And the books I typically do in a 6 by 9 size, so I'd even reformatted it to be 8.5 by 11 just in case that was an issue. It would not take it. And if you run into that, look at here where it says paste text. So I went to my book, my manuscript, copied it all, and pasted it in. I just wanted to share that with you because it was so frustrating to me. I don't know how many times I tried to upload the PDF and it wouldn't work. And there you can see we have an empty notebook just from now. Anyway, so keep in mind, if for some reason you've got an attachment that you're trying to upload, a document which is in any of those formats that it finds acceptable and it's not going, copy and paste it. There is a way to get around some of these annoying things that happen. Then what I think I have shown you before is you can do over here on the right. Okay, come on, move back up there. On the right, once you've got your document, your content will show up in the middle of it. Over here on the left, you can see where it says draft to regular size, because that's what I was trying to do. And there it shows it has a PDF. Well, let me tell you, it was not showing up before. So that's why I went and I copied and pasted it. Anyhow, just keep in mind you got options. Then you can have it do an audio for you. You can have it do a video. We went through all of that. You can have do a mind map, do a report, flashcards, quiz, and so on. An infographic, which is in beta, which last time I tried that didn't do anything. Anyway, let's see, maybe we can take a quick look. So here's the
If you run a
audio.
business, you know this feeling.
I think you can hear it.
You're paralyzed by possibilities.
Oh, yeah.
You have 1,000 growth ideas swirling around, new products, new markets, new partnerships, new everything.
And because you're
Okay, so that's the audio. And you know from times in the past that you can do the audio and it generally is going to default to 2 voices. That's the only way I've seen it go. Now let's take a quick look here at the video, and it creates a presentation for you. Now, usually you have some choices of what you want it to do. Let me just play a little bit of this for you.
You know, every single business, I don't care if it's a corner cafe or a massive tech company, faces the exact same question day in and day out. How do we grow? It is this relentless pressure. But what if I told you the biggest thing holding you back isn't a lack of ideas, but actually having way, way too many? Just think about it for a second. Your notebook, your whiteboard, it's probably overflowing with possibilities. New products, new markets, new partnerships, you name it.
Anyway, there is the video, and I haven't used either of these that I can recall for anything. So I need to come up with a plan if I'm going to do anything. And then what I wanted to show you too is you can have it make a quiz. Whoop, 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 whoop. I don't want it to have it generate a quiz. Okay, let's go to the quiz that I already made. And it seems to do 7 to 10 questions. Let me just show you this. Okay, the book renames the classic Anshoff model to revenue, blah, blah, blah. Okay, and which of the 2 ways, why would you use this? Okay, so increase revenues. Hey, that's right. So it will even answer the question for you with whatever the correct answer is. Okay, so let's go here. And here it says a software company offers a discount to customers, et cetera, et cetera. Now, which of the 4 types of market penetration product or market penetration tactic is this? Well, I know what the correct answer is, but let's just go to a different, I thought I was going to pick the wrong answer. Okay, go to another question. Okay, the book uses Apple creation of iPad, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, I'm going to purposefully pick the wrong answer. Okay, so I picked diversification. Oh, not quite right, although there were new products, and it explains why that question was wrong. And the correct answer is product development in this particular scenario. Anyway, you can have it make the quiz for you. You can go all through it. And I don't know if it'll let me just skip through. Let's see what we got here. And anyway, so here it says the book warns that a staggering percentage of, oh, that's the failure rates. Okay, well, that's that answer. Let's keep moving. Okay, so it even gives the score on the quiz. Obviously, I skipped a bunch of questions and it said, here's your score, 40%. 4 right, 1 wrong, and 5 skipped. Anyway, if you're using this in a program that you've developed or using it for onboarding or using it internally to train people, you can do all kinds of really cool stuff. And my main point here was I wanted to make sure that if you were trying to upload a document and it just wasn't working, as far as attaching that document, hey, get in there, copy and paste like we used to do old school, and it'll work for you. Anyway, thanks a lot for tuning in. Let me know if you're using NotebookLM and how it's working for you. I think it has so many cool features that it can really be a nice tool to improve our efficiency, productivity, and frankly, maybe do some things that we weren't able to do before. Let me know if you get a chance to play around with it and what you think.